This ST46 350 inclined track cutting machine using HT300 high-grade casting. The optical machine weighs more than 1.3 tons, stable and solid. The whole adopts full protection sheet metal structure design. Be configured according to user needs. FANOC, KNDGS, K other systems. 45 inclined bed layout, excellent cutting performance. Equipped with Taiwan spindle unit. X-axis travel 800 mm. Z-axis travel 350 mm. High precision roller guide, high rigidity, heavy cutting without shaking the knife. It is a tool for processing precision parts, such as rigid parts, aluminum parts, and non-ferrous metals. Welcome new and old users to consult.